Hey everyone, it's Mr. Vargas here, checking in with my Math 6 students, helping them out with page 499, homework 6.7, and this is about equivalent expressions. I'm just going to jump right down to the word problems, because these are probably the hardest ones on this homework assignment. Let's check out number 9. It says, 8 friends went to a hockey game. Okay, that's probably important. I'll write that down. The price of admission per person was X dollars. Okay, so if you had 8 people go to a hockey game and they each bought a ticket for X dollars, then we could figure that out by 8 times X or just 8X. All right. 4 of the friends paid an extra $6 each for a player guidebook. So 4 friends paid an additional $6 each. So that's really just 4 times 6, which we know is 24 additional dollars. Write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost. Okay, so we've got 2 things working here. These are the tickets. That's the tickets price. And this right here is going to be for the handbooks. I'll just put books that you can buy at the game. So write an expression to say how much money that they spent at this game. Well, they had to buy tickets, and 4 friends bought books, so you add your ticket prices plus your books, and that gets you your expression for how much money it cost to go to the game. Alright, so I'll take away that dollar sign, it's kind of confusing. So there it is, 8x plus 24. Moving on to number 10. This one says Gabriella is X years old. So I'll put Gab, and she's going to be X. Her sister Felicia is 6 years older than she is, so she's going to be X plus 6, because she's 6 years older than Gabby, and Gabby is X, so Felicia is X plus 6. Their mother is twice as old as Felicia, so Mom, whoever that is going to be twice the age of Felicia, so you have to multiply Felicia times 2. And this is probably the tricky part, recognizing that you have to take X plus 6 and multiply the whole thing by 2, using parentheses for X plus 6. Their Aunt Tanya is X years older than their mother. So Tanya is going to be 2 times X plus 6 plus an additional X, because it said she's X years older than, so you have to add an additional X. Write and simplify an expression that represents Tanya's age in years. So let's go ahead. We've got Tanya's age, it's 2x plus 6. 2 times the quantity of x plus 6 plus x. Go ahead and use the distributive property here. And that's going to get you 2x plus 12 when we multiply. And don't forget to bring down that additional information plus another x. Alright, like before, we can combine our x's like we learned in class. They can go in the same train cart. So 2x plus x makes 3x. And we cannot combine our x's with our regular numbers, because these regular numbers don't have any x's. So they can't go in the same train car. So there is your answer, 3x plus 12. Moving right along, number 11. Alright, a DVD box set includes 3 thriller movies and 2 comedies. Use T to represent the cost of each thriller. Okay, so it's 3T in one combo box. And we're going to use C to represent the comedies. So plus 2C. So there are 3 thriller movies plus 2 comedy movies in one combo box. Alright, or DVD box set, whatever you want to call it. Write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost of 6 box sets. So we want to buy 6 6 of these combo boxes or DVD sets. So that means I'm going to have to take 6 and multiply it by however is in each combo box, each DVD set. Since there's 3 thrillers and 2 comedies, we're going to multiply that whole thing by 6. Once again, use the distributive property, and that's going to get us 18T plus 12C. And there is your answer. That's very similar to the problem that we saw on the King Money Lust video from class. Alright, number 12, last one. A fall candle gift set has 4 vanilla candles and 6 pumpkin spice. So 4 vanilla, 6 pumpkin. Okay. Use V to represent the cost of each vanilla candle. Alright, so we're just going to use V as our variable, and use P to represent the cost of each pumpkin candle. So I underline V and P. So we really just have 4V and plus 6P. Okay. Write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost of 4 sets. Alright, so in one set, this is one set. We have one set of candles, and in that set we get 4 vanilla candles and 6 pumpkin candles. Well, what happens if I want to buy 4 sets? So this is very similar to the last problem. If I want to buy 4 sets, I just have to multiply that whole thing times 4. And we can use the distributive property again. So I'll write this one out just for a little bit of practice. That means 4 times 4V plus 4 times 6P. Okay, and we can simplify that. 4 times 4V is just 16V. Order of operations says that we need to do multiplication before our addition, so let's do that multiplication. 4 times 6P is just 24P. And don't forget about that plus sign. Bada bing, bada boom. There is your answer. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helps. Good luck on your homework, and see you tomorrow in class. Thank you.